Big up Crosses TV. Crosses TV. Look, I mean, the boss and me smell it. Think a Bible. No come no Adar, no Adar. Adar. The little girl them want. Prince. Jada, watching Jada. I say something to you, Jada. I don't know Jada, I don't. You understand now? And Fambo me course. And I say me a Fambo now course. You understand? Into me a Fambo have it done. You understand? And that girl when you Prince it and that Fambo live a chat. Be a fuck about me and she come now my blood clot inbox and tell me say all this and all that. You understand? She play fake with my blood. Oh. Ambition is the key to success. Yes, ambition, ambitious. Good work. Yes, I'm at a workplace. No one will know the work, right? But I'm at work. Yes, at a restaurant in Manhattan, doing a buzzer ball, getting my tip. My pocket is full. I'm not hungry. Money half a make $22 hour. Look, thank God. I'm in a paper. I feel good at work as a buzzer boy in Manhattan. No, sir. My angle. Me not have no papers, but me in a work. I'm not no. But me can't tell the girl them, you know. What's about me look nice though, me look beard and thing, you know. I just take 5 minutes to heal up my people them, my lovely people them. No drama today. Only work. You understand? Only work, enhance myself, motivating myself. With people behind me, helping, motivating me, yeah. 22, no, I'm not 22, friend. I'm not 22, I'm how much? I'm 21, and I take man from me at 18. Not so? Yeah. True. What you talk? But then, I can't talk about my work. Friends and enemies. Come now, my enemy them underneath it. I scream up, look, now come off for the live, yeah. I'm gonna bless up myself and eat some food, cause free food on the house. Oh, Chris, calm up, please. Chris, calm up, please. Chris, watch you now. Chris, when you come on my work, this way, I come buy food, y'all.
One more time.